Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. Over the last couple of days, it has been hot, it has been humid. We've had dangerous heat index values that are up there, in some cases, over 110 degrees. And a lot of that is fueled showers and storms that at times have been severe. We saw a lot of severe weather working through central New York yesterday. Well, today, all of that really does shift east, and it shifts east in a big way. That being said, we're still very much in it in New York City, but we could see some severe weather later on today. It's very sticky this morning. You can feel how much water is in the air. It's like hugging you as you step out the door. It'll be hot and humid this afternoon. That 93 will feel like 95 to 100 degrees in the afternoon. As we head beyond 6 o'clock, maybe even a little bit before 6 o'clock if you're out there in New Jersey and the lower Hudson Valley, there will be some severe thunderstorms possible, capable of damaging winds, large hail, and yesterday and even the day before we had some tornado warnings, so I'll be looking out for that as well, some rotating thunderstorms. So we still very much have the heat here right along the eastern seaboard. The severe weather threats from Washington to Philly to New York City. So that's the area to watch for severe thunderstorms. But this is also the area where it's especially hot and humid today. But we're starting to see a break in the heat and humidity from Syracuse to Rochester to Buffalo. And you see temperatures there are much cooler, barely 80 degrees today in Syracuse and not even 80 in Buffalo. So we have this cold front that will be pushing east, and that brings the humidity down as the day goes on throughout the state of New York. The chance for severe weather mainly closer to Albany, New York City, Philly, and down through our nation's capital. So it's in the yellow here where we have that increased threat for severe weather. But even in the green, there could be a couple of isolated severe thunderstorms. There's just a higher chance there in the yellow region. So we'll be watching that because over the last couple of days, those storms have been pretty prolific at knocking down trees and causing damage. 87 tomorrow in New York City. Still the chance for some thunderstorms as that front sort of lingers by. But we are going to see the humidity come down a little bit for Friday and Saturday. It's still plenty warm. It's July. It's going to feel great at 86 and 87 Friday and Saturday. And we're in the 80s, almost 90 there on Sunday, right into early next week. All right, that's your Wednesday morning weather update. I do hope you all have a fantastic hump day in the middle of the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.